Real hot girl shit.
Hey guys, Lainey Marie here, and I'm back with a hair tutorial of sorts. So as you guys can see, I have like a completely different look right now with my hair. When I had my big chop, I always saw like that platinum silver color, and I'm like, oh my god, that's so nice. So I wanted to do it, but I was like so afraid. I told my boyfriend, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna dye my hair silver. And he was like, oh, instead of storm, you'll be thunder. So yeah, so I never got around to doing it. I was just like so scared. So about 2 months ago, something happened to my hair. I'm not gonna even get into it. So I've been repairing it, and then the red had been stripped from my hair like completely. So I was in this like weird stage where my roots had grown out a good portion, and then my hair was like this weird like orangey color, and it was not cute. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try to get this silver at home, but I was just too scared to go all the way silver. So I was looking for more of like what I have like kind of like right now, but even like right now I wish I had gotten a little bit lighter, but that's okay. I was looking for like a dark grayish color somewhere in there, so I'll get close so you guys can see. So my cut and style, I actually went to my cousin in New Jersey that she's a stylist. Thanks, Rosie. I'll link her Instagram down below. If you're in the tri-state area, definitely go and see her. If you guys can see, my hair has been like so dry and so uneven, even in my bangs, and she hooked it up beautifully. So I want this video to be as short as I can possibly make it, sorry. So here on the side, I'm gonna just pop in the videos of what I did. So the first thing I did was I definitely had to bleach my roots because they were super dark. So I used the Kaleidoscope, I believe it's the Clear Ice. Sorry, I'll put the everything that I used, I'll put it down below, and I'm pretty sure in the videos I showed what I used. So I used that, and I used 20 volume developer. I left it in, I think, for like 20-25 minutes. I put a little bit on after leaving it on the roots for like 15 minutes, I put a little on the bottom just to try to get everything to be the same even tone so that I could try and get everything the same color, which I ended up at the end being able to do. So this is where I made the mistake. I saw other people's video. I guess that worked for them. It just didn't work for me. So I used the Wella Color Charm T14 toner. I believe it's pale ash blonde. And what I had seen was to mix it with, this is what I used to dye it, I put it the 050 Wella Color Charm color additive. It's called Cooling Violet. That's what gives the silver grayish tone to it. So so the way I'm gonna show exactly, because even myself when I was watching the other people's videos, I kept getting confused. So for every one bottle of this, I would pour in 2 of these of the 20 volume developer. So for one of these is 2 of these for the volume developer, and you can use 10 or 20. I used 20. Sorry, I don't know what happened, my phone just cut off. So I used 20 the first time, and I'm gonna again show here on the side. So I left that in for, I believe it was 20 or 30 minutes again. So and the first time I mixed the T14 toner and the 050 color additive, and I left that in. And when I washed it out, I'll put here on the side, even I feel like my roots still have like a little bit of gold, or maybe it's just like all in my head. So I don't know, I feel like the toner is a much stronger product than the color additive, I suppose. So my hair ended up just turning like that pale gold color. So the color additive did nothing. So basically all I did was tone my hair. So I waited 3 days, and then I went in with the color additive. I don't know. It keeps cutting off. So the second time when I went in to just do the color additive, I put 2 bottles of the color additive. So I filled this container 4 times with 10 volume developer. I figured I didn't need to do the 20 again since my hair was already at the pale blonde tone. So then that one was successful. I'll show you here like when I came out. So when I washed it off, I didn't put any shampoo or anything. I just put the purple bottle conditioner and this mask that I've been using to repair my hair. I want to keep using it for a little bit longer, and then I'll suggest it to you guys. And then I'll put a picture of how it looked then. It was kind of like a little muddy. So now when I went to my cousin to get styled, she shampooed me, deep conditioned me and everything. And then that's how I got this. I'll show you guys the back. And yeah, so I feel like it was definitely successful. I really had like no damage from the actual process of what I did now. My hair had already been previously damaged, but from actually doing this, I was like so happy and so surprised at how well it came out. I didn't have hair falling off from when I detangled. I was super surprised and super happy. I didn't even go to that like have to bleach so many times like I see other people having to do. So yeah, that's everything that I did. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, or you can email me, whichever. I'll leave everything in the description box that I used again. So yeah, I hope this is helpful to someone, and I'll see you guys in the next video.